We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this place, as well as how to say more very interesting and very significant biblical places, and how to pronounce them correctly, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you pronounce this one? Ramoth-Gilead. Ramoth-Gilead is how it is said in English. A few more important sites that you should know the correct pronunciation of from the Bible. Very important one as Capernaum, Capernaum, Bethsaida, Bethsaida. Those are places in Israel, mainly here. We're focusing on related places to Ramoth-Gilead, Bethsaida, Gethsemane, Gethsemane, Gethsemane. A very important one, Emmaus, Emmaus, Caesarea, 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 Bethphage, Bethphage, Shittim, Shittim. You do want to stress on the second syllable here. Shittim. Gadarenes, Gadarenes. Pretty straightforward once you know. Gadarenes. A village in Israel. Tabgha, Tabgha. Pretty straightforward. Tabgha. This is not a place in Israel, but just so you know that there are more videos on this channel about how to pronounce the names of many more places from the Bible, in Greece and other places in Mesopotamia, civilization names, also many names of people mentioned in the Bible. This one is said as Thessalonica, Thessalonica, just as an example. As I was saying, more videos on how to pronounce many more names from the Bible whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. If that's of your interest, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.